Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoyed the content of a creator, please come in and press that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. And finally, if you're not following me on Instagram with True Wants with the number 2, that's another way to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my content as well. So hopefully you will begin to follow me. And if you already are, please share that in the comments down below. I'd love to know if your name is the same here as there, so I know who you are when you comment either here or on the Instagram True Wants number 2. All right, guys, this is so exciting. I had the opportunity over the weekend to start seeing some boxes arrive, and I was shocked that one of my accounts, the premium of my first account, has shown up already. If you're not familiar on my channel, I do have 2 separate accounts, and it all started because of the Luxe month. I didn't want, when I had a channel, that the people that didn't get Luxe wouldn't be able to see a Boxycharm box on my channel when that Luxe month was. So I opened up a second channel for the base box, not a second channel, a second account for the base box. And then they started customization, so I ended up keeping it. So for next month, you will see the base box and the Luxe on my channel, but you'll also still see 2 premiums because I went on the wait list for both. And when they both came up, and there was always 2 options, and I'm not a girl that's good at making choices, I wanted to choose one for one box and one for the other. So you will always, for now, be seeing, even with the price increase, 2 premium boxes on my channel, and hopefully with different choices and different items in them. So here we go. Let's get started and see what we got. We have a full card here that's called Invite Only, which is what the theme is this month. Ironically, I got an email, and I'm sure other people do because it's always at random, because all my boxes are to my personal name. Everything else in reference to True Wants is True Wants. So what I wanted to share with you is that when I get these emails and stuff from Boxycharm, they're the same emails that you would probably get as well, but I know they go out in random. So what ended up happening was they sent one saying, do we really pay attention to the themes? And I really had to think about it, and I'm really not sure that we do. So please share with me in the comments down below, because I didn't answer their question because I was really hesitant that, do I want not have a theme on the card, or do I like having the theme? So if you can share that in the comments down below, I'd love to know your thoughts. All right, let's get started. So this is the premium box. This is the box that went up from $35 a month to $39.99 a month. It's still free shipping in the USA. And to me, the value of these subscription boxes are fantastic. So if you love makeup as much as I do, and skincare, and being able to have access to so many brands that probably we wouldn't even know about if it wasn't for the boxes, as well as brands that maybe were a little bit out of our price range and we didn't go out and spend the money on, we now have access to. But also being part of Boxycharm, you also get all of these amazing deals, as well as being part of a fantastic community. So that's why I enjoyed the boxes so much. All right, starting with the first one. And this is so unbelievable because this is Persona. Persona was actually an influencer. She was one of the early ones that started out, and she started her own brand. And this is called Persona Cosmetics. This is her Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. She had one. This is her second one. It says ready for, I should have brought out her first one because I definitely bought that one. This one says ready for a bolder persona. The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough to everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. This is a $42 value. So right away, this, more than pays for the box. But if you're part of Boxycharm, hopefully, if you don't get the premium box, this will be available in what they're calling the Mega Drop Shop. And then you'll be able to pick this up too. This is really heavy, and it is a really nice plastic on the outside. This one says it is made in the USA. There is a full, beautiful mirror on the top here, and these are the gorgeous colors underneath. And what I will do is I will swatch this at the end of the video, so in case you guys have already seen swatches, you won't have to see them again here. So really, really excited about that. The next item that is in here is from this brand called Rodial, and this is a very expensive brand. This is their blush drops. This is a brand new launch, and I love when the boxes share with us that, because if any brand gets the opportunity to put their products in the boxes and we're able to tell so many people about it, that's the best form of advertising, because we get to test it, share it, and show it. And I think it is fantastic that the brands are realizing how phenomenal the marketing opportunities are to get a brand into a box like Boxycharm or Ipsy. So this one is Rodial. It is the blush drops. They're saying it has enhanced the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. It is a concentrated drop that provides a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. They're saying this is a $50 value. And like I said, Rodial Beauty is a really expensive brand, but they really do a lot in reference to the ingredients that they put in the products here. So let me just see, take out my magnifier from Improving Lifestyles. If you're interested in this, we did restock, and you will see the links down in the description box for this. This is called Sunset Kiss. That sounds like a fantastic color. And that is what that looks like here. And if you're wondering, I do open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for Instagram, True Once with the number 2. And then I'm also able to check if anything's damaged or missing, so I could deal with that off camera. So this can just be about the actual products. So this looks like it is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Look at that. And I think I put too much on, 100%, but I want to show you what the color looks like. So we'll get to see it there. Is that not stunning? Oh my God, is that gorgeous? Really, really excited about that. All right, the next item is from this brand called The Better Skin Co. And this sounds familiar to me. I've received this brand in another box, and I'm really not sure which one, but I only get a few boxes on my channel like that this I think would have been in, and my mind is going more towards FabFitFun. So this one here, or the box from Fashionista. That's what my mind is going. So if you're familiar with this brand, please share it in the comments down below. This is called the Eye Bright Now, and it says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now Serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. It has an eye bright that now assists in reducing the appearance of your lines and wrinkles. They're saying this is a $38 value, and this is a brand new brand to Boxycharm. So it's definitely a brand that I've seen in another box, and it was only one item, and for some reason I'm thinking it was more of a lotion that I got from this brand. I do not remember it being a serum. So this is in that dropper type of formula. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it over here so we could just feel what the consistency is, because I find when serums are too oily near my eyes, even at nighttime, it seems to gravitate too much into my eye area, and I start to tear. So as long as it is quick and it absorbs, serums are always fantastic, and it feels like this one is doing just that. So this will be fun to have the opportunity to play with, but definitely start with serums like this at nighttime so you can know how heavy the serum is and how your eye area reacts to it at nighttime, when you don't have to worry about putting makeup on the next, until the next morning. The next item in here is a choice, and also with premium, you get to choose 2 items. The first one in this box that I chose was the Persona, and the second one that I chose was this one from Nudestix. And this is a Lemon and Detox Glow Micro Peel. And that's why I love the boxes, because this is something that I probably wouldn't have purchased on my own, but when it was a choice, I could not wait to have the opportunity to try it. This one says it is a Lemon Aid Detox and Glow Micro Peel. It is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution, while visibly rejuvenating your skin tone and texture. It's powered by enzymatic peeling action and papain, along with the renewal proprietaries of apple and pomegranate extracts. This skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for an radiant, youthful glow. And they're saying this is $34. And they're saying it is a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanse. It will exfoliate and brighten and glow. Okay, let's see what it says here. Apply as the mask over your face, finger massage to peel for 2 minutes, and then rinse off. So this might be the ones that ball up if it's telling you to massage the peel in. This does have a safety seal on it here, and I'm just gonna put a really small amount over here to see the scent. And you do smell a little bit of the lemon, which is really nice. And I'm just going to, it says you have to rub for 2 minutes, and I don't wanna sit here for 2 minutes rubbing, but I'm gonna rub vigorously quickly here to see what ends up happening. And yeah, so this is the type that balls up. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So the more you scrub, do not be afraid of this. The more you scrub, the more you peel off. A lot of people, you know, will think that this is dead skin, you know, peeling up. It isn't. It's the actual enzymes in the product that are helping everything build up. And it will slough off some of your dead skin, but unless you see like dark areas, that would be your skin. But if you're just seeing, you know, little bumps of white there, then that's actually just the enzyme peel. Really, really excited about that. Okay, another winner. Okay, the next item in here is a perfume. And this one is called Riddle Oil. They're saying it is original roll-on oil. It says it's made with simple ingredients of amber and musk, which are so fantastic. And it says it's the original roll-on oil, smells clean and supple. It's saying this oil naturally is created a signature scent that is unique to you. That's why it has that question mark. I couldn't understand why there was a question mark on the back. The reason it's a question mark is they can't give it a scent name because it has, based on your chemistry in your body, you're going to get a different scent on me than you would on, you know, on yourself. So this will be a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is the excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is something really unique. I have never heard of anything like this, and I have a lot of perfume. That is amazing. So this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. And like I said, this guy here is a $50 retail value. All right, let's see what's in here. And usually when these are in roller balls like this, these are the ones that I end up traveling with. I'm just gonna roll up my sleeve here for the swatches. So this one here is one that I'm so excited to have the opportunity to get, because I love traveling with roller balls. Oh, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. It's exactly what they said. It's very supple, and yet it has, oh, that is so pretty. It's feminine without being flowery. It's wow, it's like a modern scent. That is so fantastic. And I love that it has the question mark. That is great. All right, the last item that I have in the box before we do the swatches is from the brand called Girlactick. Always comes in a beautiful packaging. And this is also just stunning. When I took this out, I could not believe it. Look, there's the actual, I think, some flowers inside here. So let's just read about it first, because I open everything up, but I don't read the card. I want to be just as surprised as you guys. This is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. So that's what's in here. So it says, fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky, and it's a perfect go-to formula for any glassy finish. This formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protection ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. This is a $20 value, all right? This is what this looks like here. Look how beautiful this is. Could you imagine taking this out of your purse and just lightly like doing your lips? Everyone is gonna ask you to look at this product. That is such a beautiful product. The scent, it smells like real roses, which means it is a beautiful scent. Real roses smell nice. Artificial roses to me that they put in a lot of products is the one that I don't enjoy, but this one is just beautiful. And even when you take the long item out of here, you're still not disrupting how beautiful the actual product looks inside. Really excited about that. Really beautiful. Okay, let's do some swatches. So we are ready to check out Persona. The name of the product is on the back of the box as well as on here. And I will do my best to swatch everything for you. I have a wet cloth and a dry cloth here. So starting with the first four on top, we have honest, kind, loyal, and independent. Oh yeah, her product is so beautiful and the pigmentation is there and it goes on so soft. Look at that color. That is the most unique color. That is called Independent. Really, really beautiful. Okay, the next ones are, there's only 12 in here, so this should not take long as I can get everything off my hands perfectly. Okay, so now we're going to the next four, and that is called Passionate, Unique, Driven, and Confident. Yeah. Oh my God. They're all stunning. The shimmer shade is stunning. The pop. I am so into now this yellow that comes out with this shimmer, goldy type of, I stayed away from this for so long. And then in one of the boxes, I think it was a Fenty takeover box where they came out with, I think, Trophy Wife. And I said, oh, I'll never use that. It is so beautiful. And it's the same thing. It's like the boxes enable us to go a little bit out of our comfort zone because, you know, you pay for one item and you get everything else. So it's so much fun to have the opportunity to play because a lot of us, you know, you don't either have the time or you don't have the financial, you know, to treat yourself, you know, and here we get to treat ourselves. Look at that. Each color you can see with one light swatch and how much is left on my fingers, how beautiful this is. Oh, I am so excited that this is an opportunity for so many people to learn more about her brand, because every product that I have tried from her brand, and she doesn't have a lot of products, have been home runs. So I am so, so excited for you guys to have the opportunity to see this. So I'm just gonna hold it up and then with my hand in front so you guys can see. Look how close that is to the color that is actually in the palette. Is that not stunning? So, so beautiful. As you can tell, I love getting these subscription boxes, but Boxycharm in particular was the one that changed the whole field to start getting us boxes that had full-size items in it. So kudos to Boxycharm for changing the industry and enabling us who are makeup lovers and beauty lovers to have the opportunity to get these type of products in boxes at prices that we can afford. So to everybody, share with me in the comments down below if you're still getting the premium box or if that, you know, $5 difference made such a difference for you monthly that it was something that you had to give up. And if you did, I hope you stayed with the base box. And then if there was anything that I'm able to share with you here, that you'll be able to pick it up at a discount in the sales that Boxycharm offers. That's it for today. Keep your eyes open on my channel because they have a lot of boxes on my channel to arrive. And I've added a couple more subscription boxes to my channel because I just could not keep them at bay anymore. I really wanted to be able to share them with you. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.